Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul. I did my matriculation from APS Class 1 campus and secured 1075 marks out of 1100. I joined HCCS due to its excellent teaching schemes and well-qualified teaching. Afterwards, the question arises, which institution should I join for my Mdcat preparation? Keeping in view the prior experience I had with HCCS education system, I decided to join HCCS entry-test preparation classes. Now the question is, why HCCS? So I joined HCCS for three major reasons. The first and the very important reason is the highly qualified teachers provided by the HCCS entry-test preparation classes. Believe me, they are second to none in this field. The second reason was the environment which the HCCS education system provided. The healthy environment and the peer competition among the students make the student to do something more, something out of the box, something extraordinary. And the last reason is no doubt its administration. The administration of HCCS education system is open to any betterment provided by the teacher or the students. And this is the reason that there is little to no gap between the administration of HCCS education system and the students. Now, why one should take entry-test preparation classes? Mdcat and f.sc are two different things. f.sc is a test of your knowledge, whereas Mdcat is a test of your time and stress management, keeping in view your f.sc knowledge. Now, the teaching scheme adopted by HCCS education system cater all these problems. We have to take tests on daily basis, and this daily test routine allow us to polish our time management skill while enhancing our preparation. And by the end of this session, you are able to solve your paper before the allocated time. This brings confidence in oneself and your stress is automatically reduced. Now this daily test routine polishes our time management skill while enhancing our knowledge of f.sc. And by the end of the session, I was able to solve my problem before the allocated time. This boosted my confidence and I was able to cater my stress management problems. Now, by the grace of Almighty Allah, my teacher's effort, my parents' prayers, and a little bit of my own effort allowed me to pursue my medical passion in my dream college. And I would like to thank the Almighty Allah for giving me such success. Now, every student and Mdcat aspirant asks the same question, that how to get good marks in Mdcat. The key to success lies in dedication and your hard work. Hard work, which is short-lived, do not lead to success. Make sure to do hard work and make it consistent. Put all the dedication in your Mdcat preparation and make it. Now during these troubled times, the challenge faced by the student is the distraction and the social stress. To solve the distraction problem, HCCS education system has adopted a very good policy. They make you solve tests on daily basis and maintain your record. And if your record is going bad, they will have a career counseling session with you that allow you gather all your attention towards your goal, which is the Mdcat examination. And for the social stress, they invite career counselors from time to time and they motivate you so that you could perform better in an Mdcat examination while neglecting all the stress from your surroundings. Now, my advice to my junior is to put all your dedication and effort towards your main goal, which is the Mdcat examination, and join HCCS entry-test preparation classes, which are starting on 3rd June 2025, so that you could also enter your dream college this year. Assalamu alaikum.